My name is Stephanie Hoekenga, and I am the Student Outreach/Resource Specialist here at the Career Tech Center. So I go out into districts, I talk to students, I talk to parents, I organize open houses, tours, I give presentations, other duties as assigned, manage social media, radio ads, print ads, basically anything that reaches out to students. I get to use the skills that I liked best when I was in high school. In fact, that's kind of how I got started here. I went to school for graphic design, and then worked up in Montague for a little while at a place called Master Tag, designing those little plant tags that tell you how much sunlight and water they need. Then my position was eliminated there, so I applied for the paraprofessional job here at the Tech Center, and I taught what was then called commercial arts, and kind of got me into this whole Tech Center groove. And then I learned that there was a marketing position available, applied for that, got it, thought I'll do this for a few years, then I'm gonna go get a big fancy design job someplace, work at an agency, and well, it'll be 20 years in March since I had that thought. And I'm using those graphic design skills that I taught students, that I learned in school, and I get to do lots of other fun stuff. Fun fact, I really like the gym. I've just kind of fallen into it. I get up early and go every day before work, and now it's just part of what I do. Even when I'm on vacation, I find a Planet Fitness in the neighborhood and go work out. That's just where I kind of vibe for my first hour of my day.